Have you ever pondered over the kind of lifestyle you are leading? Is it active enough? Welcome, my friends, to a conversation that could potentially change the way you live. Today, we're talking about our lifestyles, the choices we make day in, day out that shape our health and our well-being. An active lifestyle, you see, isn't just about hitting the gym or running marathons. It's a holistic approach towards life that combines physical activity, balanced diet, mental well-being, and social connections. It's about making choices that fuel our bodies, nourish our minds, and enrich our lives. Our bodies are incredible machines designed for movement. But are we giving them enough of it? Or are we letting the conveniences of modern life make us more sedentary? Think about it. Reflect on your daily routine. Are you living actively or just existing? In today's video, you will uncover practical tips to lead a more active life. Stick around to start your journey towards an active lifestyle. Leading an active lifestyle is not just about having a good physique, it's about enhancing your quality of life. Let's talk about the myriad of benefits that come with living an active lifestyle. First off, let's touch on mental health. It's no secret that regular physical activity boosts your mood. It stimulates various brain chemicals that leave you feeling happier and more relaxed. But did you know that it can also help keep anxiety and depression at bay? That's right. Engaging in physical activity regularly can reduce feelings of anxiety and lower the risk of depression. Next, energy levels. It may seem counterintuitive, but spending energy on physical activity can actually increase your energy levels. Regular physical exercise improves muscle strength and boosts endurance, giving you more energy to tackle your day-to-day tasks. Let's not forget about better sleep. Physical activity helps regulate your body's internal clock, promoting better sleep. Regular exercise can also help you fall asleep faster and deepen your sleep. Just don't exercise too close to bedtime, or you may be too energized to go to sleep. Lastly, an active lifestyle can greatly reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Regular physical activity can help prevent or manage a wide range of health problems, including stroke, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, depression, certain types of cancer, arthritis, and falls. It can also help improve cognitive function and helps prevent cognitive decline as we age. In a nutshell, an active lifestyle can significantly improve your physical and mental health. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and leading a healthy, fulfilling life. It's a win-win situation, really. So the question is not, why should you lead an active lifestyle, but rather, why wouldn't you? It's a small investment of time and effort that pays back with interest in the form of improved health, happiness, and overall quality of life. Now that you know the benefits, let's dive into how you can incorporate activity into your everyday life. The first step towards an active lifestyle is setting achievable goals. And no, I'm not talking about deciding to run a marathon next month when you haven't even jogged around the block. Let's keep it real and achievable, folks. When setting fitness goals, it's crucial to consider your current lifestyle and physical condition. Aiming for the stars is admirable, but let's not forget the importance of taking one step at a time. You wouldn't try to climb Mount Everest without first tackling a few smaller peaks, right? The same principle applies here. Start with small, manageable changes in your daily routine. Maybe you can take the stairs instead of the elevator, or park your car a little farther from your office entrance to squeeze in a mini walk. These might seem like baby steps, but trust me, they'll add up over time. Next, gradually increase your physical activity. Perhaps you can begin with a 10-minute walk after dinner, then bump it up to 15 minutes after a couple of weeks. Don't rush it. The key here is consistency, not intensity. Your fitness journey isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about how fast you can reach your goal, but how consistently you can maintain your progress. And remember, it's okay to have off days. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a workout or two. Instead, use that as motivation to get back on track. Also, don't forget to celebrate your small victories along the way. Did you choose to walk instead of taking a cab? That's a win. Did you manage to do a 15-minute workout? That's another win. Celebrating these small victories will not only boost your motivation, but also help you enjoy the journey towards an active lifestyle. As you move forward, you'll find that these small changes become a part of your daily routine. You won't even think of them as exercise anymore. They'll just be life. The goal is to make physical activity a part of your daily routine, not a chore. So take it slow, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Because at the end of the day, it's about leading a healthier, happier, and more active life. The next step is to find activities that you enjoy. It's all about exploration, my friends. You see, the secret to maintaining an active lifestyle isn't about pushing yourself to the brink of exhaustion with activities that you don't enjoy. No, it's quite the opposite. It's about finding physical activities that make you smile, that make your heart race with exhilaration, not just exertion. Now you might be wondering, how do I find these magical activities? Well, it's all about dipping your toes into different waters, so to speak. Experiment with a variety of activities. And don't shy away from trying something new. Remember, the goal here isn't to become the next Olympic athlete. It's about finding joy in movement. Consider dancing, for instance. It's not just about the flashy moves and the rhythm, it's a full-body workout that engages your mind and your spirit. Or how about swimming? It's not just about the cool water against your skin. It's about moving every muscle in your body in harmony. Then there's cycling, an activity that's as good for the environment as it is for your body. Feel the wind in your hair and the rush of adrenaline as you pedal your way to a healthier you. If you're more of a nature enthusiast, hiking might just be your thing. Enjoy the beauty of the great outdoors while giving your body the workout it needs. The thing is, each of these activities has something unique to offer, and one of them might just be the key to unlocking your love for an active lifestyle. So don't limit yourself. Try out different activities. Find your rhythm, your pace. Remember, this isn't a race. It's a journey to a healthier, more active you. You don't have to do everything at once. Start small, but start somewhere. And before you know it, you'll find yourself looking forward to these activities, not because you have to do them, but because you want to. Finding an activity you love makes it easier to stay consistent. And that, my friends, is the secret to a truly active lifestyle. The final step is to make your lifestyle changes sustainable. Living an active lifestyle doesn't mean you have to run a marathon every day or spend countless hours in the gym. It's about finding what works for you and sticking with it. You see, consistency is the key ingredient in this recipe for a healthier life. One of the best ways to maintain this consistency is to schedule your workouts. Just like you plan your meals or set reminders for your meetings, penciling in a time for exercise can make it a non-negotiable part of your day. It doesn't have to be a 2-hour workout session. Even 20 minutes of brisk walking or a quick yoga session can do wonders. Now, we get it. Sticking to a workout routine can be challenging, especially if you're doing it alone. That's where finding an exercise buddy comes in. It could be your partner, a friend, or even a neighbor. Having someone to share your fitness journey with makes it more enjoyable and keeps you accountable. Plus, a little friendly competition never hurts, right? While being active is important, it's equally crucial to listen to your body. If you're feeling tired or sore, it's okay to take a rest day. Rest is a vital part of the exercise cycle, allowing your body to recover and grow stronger. Don't see it as a setback, but as a necessary part of your journey to a healthier you. And finally, remember to find a balance that works for you. Some days, you might feel like lifting weights. Other days, you might prefer a peaceful walk in the park. The goal isn't to become the next Olympian, but to incorporate regular physical activity into your daily life. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. So find what you love, stick with it, and watch as your active lifestyle becomes a sustainable part of your everyday life. Leading an active lifestyle is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your everyday routine and staying committed to these changes over time. We've covered a lot of ground in this discussion, from understanding the importance of an active lifestyle to practical tips on how to incorporate more activity into your day. We've talked about the benefits of regular exercise, the role of a balanced diet, and the importance of mental well-being. These elements all work together to create a holistic approach to health. But remember, the key to success is consistency, not perfection. It's about making progress, not achieving perfection overnight. So what's your next step? Maybe it's taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or swapping out that afternoon snack for a healthier option. Whatever it is, start small and build from there. Start today. Remember, any movement is better than no movement. Here's to a healthier, more active you.